In this short video, I'll show you how to add a search box in Excel so you can quickly find specific products in datasets. First, go to the Developer tab, press Insert. At the very bottom is a text box. Go press that and place it on a cell you like to have the search on. Mine is on G2. Right click on it, go to Properties. Now in the linked cell, input the number of cell that your search box is in. Mine is G2. Press X on it. Press on Design Mode. Go to the Home tab and highlight all of your data. Next, go to Conditional Formatting. In New Rule, select the very bottom one. Now we will input a formula. Go ahead and follow through. Equals and parenthesis is number, another parenthesis, search, another parenthesis. Now this time again input the cell of your search box. Mine is G2, $, G, $2, or it depends on you. That make sure you input the $. Put on the comma and A2 or the cell number of your data, the first one. As for me, it's A2. 2 close parenthesis, a comma, space. Again, the number cell of my search box. G2. And this symbols and 2 quotation marks. And finally, a close parenthesis. Click on Format after you're done. Select the color you like to highlight. Press OK. And that should allow you to do this. That enables you to search specific data on your dataset. There we go. Now you know how to add a search box in Excel. You can watch this playlist if you ever get stuck with this one.